Yeah, 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 yeah.
Ah, nice one. Yo guys, welcome back to Feelbeck TV. If today is your first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit on the notification button, like, comment and share. Yeah, so today we are going to take you through how we did our 4 months baby photo shoots, and we are going to take you through the fundamentals, the things that we used, and how we set our background and everything.
Taking you through the things you need for your DIY photo shoot of your baby. You need a plate with a very nice background. So here we have our couch with a very nice sofa cover. Yes, to blend with wallpaper background. We had we designed it. You see basically what I'm talking about. We need a soft box. So soft box is basically like a source of light, and this our soft box. It's a 1 in town soft box because it's a DIY soft box. So everything is possible. So with that, where baby will sit to take the pictures, your soft box, your camera, your dresses you want baby to wear to take that photo shoot. The rest is wahala. Not wahala per se, but getting baby to be stable for you to take the picture.
Yeah, so first and foremost, you need to put on your softbox, and this our softbox is a main source of light, so that is what is going to reflect on the background, this background. Yeah, so I'm going to put it on and you will see how the background will look like. There's the source of light. You can see how it's reflecting on the sofa. So we are shooting on our sofa, and we are using the sofa covers as our background. So we are setting 2 backgrounds. We are using the sofa cover as one background, then later we use the kente cloth as the other background. So this is a DIY softbox. You can either use your own DIY softbox, or you can decide to get the ring light or any other source of light. A very bright one, of course. Yeah. Right after getting your background, the next thing is getting baby prepared.
We are ready for our first shoot. Yeah, we are ready with our first costume. Studio, sit down.
This is how we shoot. So we must make baby sit, and it's very difficult sitting baby down, but you know he has to look into the camera as well. So what we do is that the mother will try, baby, yonko.
Juju, yeah, 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 yeah.
So we try adjusting baby for the meantime. The moment he sits and we get the focus that we want, then we shoot. So just like this, we shoot. Hey, get our pictures right from this end. The moment he focus on the camera. Yeah. Wow. Nice one. So after shooting with the sofa cover, we now have to change the background and change baby's costume. Then we have to make sure whatever he wears blends with the background, the kente background. So we are now coming to shoot on the kente. Yeah, so there's the kente background. So right after this, we'll edit the edges and we'll get the right shot that we want. So this is basically how we do our photo shoot. You don't be that. You don't be that. So guys, can you imagine the very person we are, getting ready to shoot and everything, he is sleeping. Look at it. He is sleeping. Photo shoot for babies. Charlie.
No wonder they charge so much for baby photo shooting. How to control them and get them to do what you want.
It's hectic, man. It's hectic. But we'll do the photo shoot. Whether he likes it or not, we will shoot. So we are waiting for him. He's finally awake. Yes, he's awake. Look at his face. He will not sleep here today. We will shoot.
Chairman. Today you want him to sleep, he won't sleep.
He won't sleep.
Talk, at 5 o'clock, he will close his eyes and he's sleeping. He's looking for rest.
Let's go and shoot. Okay, so we are ready for our next shoot. Hey.
Juju. Hey.
Yeah, so after how many hours of work?
2-3 hours or so.
We finally, done with our photo shoot for Chairman General.
Sleeping and eating in between.
Changing of diapers and it is work. It is work. But Charlie, today has been fruitful, guys.
Yeah, very.
Yeah.
Fruitful.
Can do anything if you are focused and you put your mind to it. Charlie.
With the way the economy is, if you don't learn how to, I've said it before, if you don't learn how to do things yourself, you will pay for that service. Charlie.
Alright, so guys, thanks for watching. This is how we did our photo shoot for our small boy. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, hit on the notification button, share, comment and like. If you've done this before, let us know in the comment section.
Yeah.